Hello everybody, this is Marya here on YouTube. Today I have my book wrap up for all of you guys. So basically, I haven't had the time to read, or I haven't made the time to read, which is very sad in my life. But I finally have the time to read, and literally like 2 days ago I started reading and I've already read through 4 books, I think. Yeah, 4 books. So the first one that I have right here is the Young Elite series. So I already read the first 2 books like back in December, and I don't remember if I ever put them in my book wrap-ups, but I actually did read them before my birthday. And I honestly, anything Mary Lou does I love, because she's a great author, and if you like young adult dystopian fiction type of books, you're gonna like all of her books. But yeah, The Young Elites and The Rose Society are the first 2 books that I read back in December, and then finally this month I got around to finishing this book because I started reading it and it was getting very intense and I didn't want it to end, so I didn't want it to read it. But I finally did. Very sad that I actually finished it because I love them. But this is a Midnight Star. You guys can probably tell the book is a little bit destroyed, and I'm probably gonna do a haul when my book sleeves come, because this was destroyed by water. But nevertheless, I love the book. I love the whole story. I am gonna do a review on them, so you guys, that will be up in the next few weeks. But yeah, those are the first few books. Then I have this is One of Us is Lying by Karen M. McManus, I think it's how you say her last name. And I picked this up a few days ago actually. I picked this up and I was like, I'm very interested in reading that, so I just decided to read it after I finished The Midnight Star, and I am very happy I read it because it's such an intense story. You really don't know what's happening, and then you kind of start figuring things out before the actual clue is given and stuff like that. And I was very surprised how everything happened. I think it's a very good book. I believe this is a debut novel. I'm not really sure anymore. But it was very good book. I actually really did like it. I am gonna do a review about it again. I want to do more reviews on books. But yeah, I definitely recommend this one to you guys if you haven't read it yet. Then the other one that I have is The Couple Next Door by Sherry LaPena. And I have mixed feelings about this book. I actually did really like the whole story, how it went. I think it got more complicated than it should have been. But I actually did really like the story. I do not like Anne. She stresses me out a little bit. The overthinking part of herself just gets on my nerves. But I actually did like the book. I just have a few minor things. I am gonna do a review about it again, so you guys will be waiting for that. Hopefully you guys will be waiting for that. And then the one that I'm actually currently reading as of filming this video, hopefully by the time I actually put it up, I'm already finished with this. And this is The Woman in Cabin 10 by Ruth Ware. I don't know how to say her last name, but honestly, you guys, I am in chapter number 5, and I'm actually really digging this book. I think it's very interesting. And I will have to see by the end of the book. So far, so good. And yeah, we'll see what comes of it. So those are all of the books that I read this last week actually. But yeah, this is all the books, I believe. Yeah, okay. So yeah. So if you guys like this book wrap up, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you guys can know when I upload new videos. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like the video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye!